Hello CrocFIX lovers and welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to replace your battery in your Samsung Gear Smartwatch. So if you need the tools or parts, you can buy them directly from my video description link, and this will also support my channel. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you. At first I suggest you to lose the wristband, and then you will have 4 screws. They are located on the bottom side. So just remove these 4 screws first. Then take this small plastic tool and open the watch. So just you have to do a small gap between. It's very easy, and carefully detach into pieces. As you see, don't cut the flex cable, otherwise you will crack the the LCD. Remove the sticker. Okay, then remove this small metal piece which is on the top of the battery. It's holding the battery inside the frame. Okay, let's remove the small metal piece and just check the size of the battery. Everything is alright. Okay, should be, because this is a genuine original battery. So as you see, there is a pull sticker underneath the battery. Just pull it out. It's not so strong, so should be very easy. Okay. So take the new battery, remove the stickers. And place it inside the frame. Press it a bit, just to make it sure it's glued inside the frame. Okay. Put back the small piece back in place. Okay. There is still the sticker. Put it on. Okay, that's it. You can close the watch now. Just be sure it's in the right place, because there are 4 screws, so make sure everything is alright. Then take the all 4 screws, screw it together, and yeah, that's it. Houston, we've got light. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. And if you want to donate, there is also a link for supporting my channel. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon. Your CrocFIX.